Hi, bro. Yo mama's so ugly. She's the reason why monsters hide under the bed.
Well, Yo Mama's so ugly. When she added antivirus software on her computer, it started deleting her photos.
Your mom's so short. She ice skates inside the fridge.
Yo Mama's so old, she took her driving test on a dinosaur.
Your mama's so hairy. They filmed the National Geographic in her bathroom.
Yo Mama's so tall, Godzilla was her pet lizard.
Yo mama so dumb she put an iPhone in a blender to make apple juice.
Yo mama so poor. Nigerian scammers wire money to her.
Yo mama so evil. Her favorite game was Squid Game.
Yo mama so old. When she was in school, there was no history.